Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be debunking some common medical myths about weight loss that may be holding you back from reaching your goals. Myth number 1, you have to eat less to lose weight. This is a common misconception that can actually be harmful to your body. Restricting your calorie intake too much can slow down your metabolism and lead to nutrient deficiencies. Instead, focus on eating a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Myth number 2, you have to exercise for hours every day to lose weight. While exercise is important for overall health, you don't need to spend hours at the gym to see results. Just 30 minutes of moderate exercise a day can make a big difference in your weight loss journey. Myth number 3, weight loss supplements are a quick fix. Many weight loss supplements on the market claim to help you shed pounds quickly, but most of them are not backed by scientific evidence. Instead of relying on supplements, focus on making sustainable lifestyle changes like eating a healthy diet and exercising regularly. Myth number 4, you can spot reduce fat. Unfortunately, you can't target specific areas of your body for fat loss. Doing endless crunches won't give you a flat stomach if you're not also focusing on overall weight loss. Instead, focus on a combination of cardio and strength training to see results all over your body. In conclusion, it's important to be wary of medical myths about weight loss and focus on evidence-based strategies for reaching your goals. Remember, everyone's body is different, so what works for one person may not work for another. If you're struggling with weight loss, consider consulting with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more videos on health and wellness. See you next time.